Want a cleaner and more organized Android home screen? In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to create app folders and keep your favorite apps neatly organized. Method 1. Create a folder using drag and drop. Start by unlocking your Android phone and going to the home screen where your apps are displayed. Press and hold the first app icon that you want to add to a folder. Keep holding until the icon becomes movable. Without lifting your finger, drag the app directly on top of another app that you want in the same folder. When you see a highlighted folder outline or frame appear, release the app. Android will automatically create a new folder containing both apps. Next, tap the newly created folder to open it. At the top of the folder, tap folder name or the existing default name. Type a custom name that matches the apps inside, such as social, games, tools, work, or any name you prefer. When you're finished, tap anywhere outside the folder or press the home button to save your changes. The folder will remain on your home screen and can be opened anytime with a single tap. You can continue adding more apps by pressing and holding additional app icons, then dragging them into the folder. If needed, you can also remove apps by dragging them back out of the folder. A well-organized home screen not only looks better, but also helps you find your favorite apps much more quickly. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.